I'm here with Greg Curtis with the Good Earth Greenhouse, and well, I got some of the combo pots that I took with me today, and summer combo pots, but time to reinvent them for the fall.
You're looking pretty good still?
Yeah, so far so good.
So far so good. Well, it's getting that time of year, Jeff, some of them aren't looking as good as yours might be, but start changing out. We're going to start off with the one right here in front of you. This is going to be one I'd call an all-winter combo pot. Actually, probably take you even into Easter next year, because we got perennials up front, and we've got a few violas over here as well as a pumpkin. So you're going to have color all winter long. It's going to withstand the cold winter and enjoy it. You can use this either in the full sun this time of year or on the shady conditions like you have on your back porch. Would be fine. Down here in front, we'd call more a fall that you could turn into a winter combo pot. So the peppers are going to last till about temperatures about 40, or you can maybe stretch it out to that first frost. After that, you want to pull it out and then put something else in there that'll last you all winter long. As well as over here, this one's pretty much a winter pot, except for the two-rooted Beckias here. Once about that second frost, they're going to be gone. You could just pull those out if you want, let it fill in, or you could put something else in there as well.
So with those, I mean, sometimes you don't even need to put anything else in.
No.
Just the rest of it's going to just naturally fill out, and then you could do something, and once you get towards the spring, change it out again.
Then change it out again for next season. One of the main things we want to remember this time of year is you want to fertilize. Even though you're not going to get a lot of growth, we use the bedding plant food with a high middle number. So when it's above 45 degrees, your pansies, violas, panolas, those are all going to bloom at 45 degrees. Below that, they're going to stop blooming, but you need to have that phosphate in there so when it warms up above 45 degrees. And we always put jump start in everything just to have that good mycorrhiza in there to get the good roots. And then you want to use a good lightweight potting mix. We use the one that we make here, the Good Earth potting soil. We don't make it here. We have it made for us and shipped here, but the Good Earth potting mix. So get a good potting mix, fertilize, pick out the right selection, enjoy it all winter.
Yeah, and the moss that you have here, I mean, you might even be able to just grab this out of your yard. But
if you want to, you can pull it out of the yard. We have it here as well. It's a great way, if you're having a party this weekend, you want to make it, boom, instant. Put the moss around. It's not going to hurt anything to leave it in there.
All right, that sounds good. So quick and easy to really get these pots done. Not all that expensive and pretty easy to take care of, too.
Pretty easy to take care of. Bring yours up, and I hope you get them changed out.
All right, sounds good.
All right,
we'll do. All right, that's about all the time we have for this week with the Good Earth Greenhouse. Join us back here next Wednesday.